IQST Stock Analysis and IQST Stock Prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Iqstel stock, it's bearish and you can see it just kind of keeps melting, doing its thing. This is when I began selling, and since then it's been just sell side predictions, and it's been delivering, you know, so that's great. You can see it was like 13 at a time 2 weeks ago. 7 now, almost half, and I can tell you that the likelihood that we keep making new lower lows is high. Am I gonna trade this though? Not necessarily, man, because what the hell are these candles? It's not volatile at all. Not in an environment that I'm willing to trade, and honestly, I would just again much rather stick to better setups. Yeah, it is a bearish and decent bearish market, but there's a lot more volatile things that I'm keeping an eye on. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.